The Foundation Story of English to Yoruba Qur'an Project by Dr.Daud Awwal. A 600 years silence, a 22 years journey, a global light. 6 centuries ago, Islam reached the Yoruba lands, a people rich in honor, culture, wisdom and faith. But one thing never happened in all that time. The Quran was never translated accurately for them with Arabic, English, Yoruba, and transliteration in one edition. Millions learned to recite without understanding. Children repeated verses without meaning. Generations memorized without connection. Then one day, a young Yoruba student studying Arabic and Islamic sciences in Saudi Arabia asked himself a question that changed history. If Allah gave me knowledge of Arabic, English and Yoruba, was it not a trust, a responsibility? He traveled, he researched, he spent his savings, he worked in silence, he sacrificed sleep, comfort and time. And for 22 years, he wrote, verified, checked and corrected until history was made. The first Quran in the world with Arabic transliteration, English to Yoruba. A gift for children, a guide for humanity, a bridge between faiths and cultures, a legacy beyond language and borders. And today, we stand at the beginning of a global movement, one that preserves heritage, strengthens faith, and builds peace. A Quran for the heart, for the mind, and for our future generations. This is not just a book. It is a milestone in African Islamic scholarship. It is a gift to the Ummah. It is a tool for peace between nations and religions. It is a legacy for humanity. This project is useful to the believers, investors, philanthropists, scholars, universities, schools, libraries, dawah centers, academics, institutions, and students across the globe. The value proposition of an English-Yoruba Qur'an translation project is built on accessibility, cultural relevance, and linguistic authenticity, aiming to bridge historical gaps and foster a deeper understanding of the Islamic holy text among millions of Yoruba-speaking people globally. The core value proposition elements are the following. Bridging a century-old gap. The project addresses a long-standing need for a complete and authentic Quranic reference for Yoruba-speaking Muslims, as previous efforts like the 1906 translation by Reverend Samuel Cole often lacked